Always looking for ways to make our vehicles even safer, we developed the new Subaru blind spot detection to help watch over your shoulder and warn you of potential danger. Available on the 2015 Outback and Legacy, blind spot detection uses radar in the rear bumper to monitor your blind spot area. When it senses that a vehicle on the right or left is approaching in another lane or is in your blind spot, a warning light will appear in your side mirror, alerting you to that vehicle's presence. Lane Change Assist, another feature of this system, uses the same warning light when a vehicle on the right or left approaches at a higher speed in the neighboring lane. After the initial warning light displays, if you switch lanes or signal to change lanes and it senses that the approaching vehicle is still there, Lane Change Assist gives you a flashing warning to further alert you to the vehicle's presence. After all, things can happen in an instant, and at Subaru, we believe extra awareness is always a smart move.